Hi, I'm Kathleen Matinlassi, presenting a gorgeous 3-bedroom home with sweeping water views in our treasured Old Valentine location. The home has a perfect combination of easy maintenance and open plan living while offering a large grass yard for the kids and dogs to play. Inside the home, the wow effect starts, featuring lake views from your kitchen, living, and incredible covered outdoor entertaining space. Even the master retreat spoils you with lake views, space, and tranquility. The more you explore, the more house you discover, including a play area beneath with hot spa and water views, large garage, and great open yard. This really has it all, including an extra parking space for the boat or caravan. So be quick to inspect, because if you love this home, you can buy it.